I'm going to buy a harina because there's no have a harina already. So I will go to buy a harina. It looks like I'm so pretty and I'm so beautiful, confident, beautiful with a heart. And I know that every single day and every matter or every problem has a solution to protect or to prevent our society or our community, and also to have a good health and a good condition to our health. Always always pray to God and always to to fight, always pray, always fight any matter, any problem that you have. You are going to fight that to have a successful life or to have achievement. Ay, okay, so malapit na ako sa aking paroroonan na kung saan ay bibili ako ng harina. Pabaylak, harina la, sa kilo. Pero sa kilo, 45. Oh my God, nahihirapan ako kasi ano. So ito na nga, babalik na tayo sa ating paroroonan. Okay, ala. This is so very more vehicles that we have. So you're going to be careful of to go. Diyos ko Lord, patawarin. To be careful the vehicles. To ano tawag nito? Tabok ba? Natabok, di ba matabok ka? Sana. Anay, kadamo kasi mga sarakyan. Anay guys. Ito na nga, tatabok na tayo kasi ano. Grabe ang daming. And it's a very difficult to control. It is very hard to tabok. Tandok. So ito na, malapit na ako sa aking bahay na kung saan ay ako ay pinaaral lamang dahil nga sa walang pera, walang kulang panggastos, walang financial, walang pera. I'm so very sad because karayo ko sa akong pamilya, and also Saturday lang na uli. It's been 2 days na talk sa I'm so sad because hindi ko sana makikita. But I'm so thankful that may nagpapaliskanda sa akin. Sige na guys, atin na.